Right, working on the CLK 500. It's time to do the rear trunk shocks. Got the new ones here, so I'm gonna take these apart. We'll just pop them off basically. So you just gotta get those skinny screwdriver, pull them in here, so you can pop it off. If this doesn't work, then I'm going to use my, I've got a pick I think that I have. That should work as well. Take those off. Alright, I got a pick, so I'm going to use the pick to get in here. Pop this out. Once you pull it out, then you should be able to pop this off. This one's blocking here, so I'm going to do the bottom. Pick. Get in there. Pop that off. Get your screwdriver. Comes off just like that. You do the same to the other side. Alright, working on the CLK 500. I gotta replace the rear shocks. So what you need to do is get a pick, get in here, get a pick in here. Separate this. That'll come off. Get the bottom one here. Same thing. Pick in here. Take that out. Get your screwdriver. Pop that out. This one. Pop that out. Like that. Now that it's out, you get the new one. Pop it in. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And this is the top. Get it in there. Good to go.